Welcome to
TC Graphic.
Today we're going to discuss something that most graphic designers find it difficult to tackle. It is about choice of color. How do you solve color problem? Sometimes if you want to design, you are stuck with the kind of color you want to make use of. First thing, you're going to download this app called Colors. Let me show us. Go to your Play Store and download it now. Okay, come here. This is for people that are having challenges with color. Okay, so you open it up. So I'm going to guide us how to generate color with it and how to use it to design. So right inside this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to use a color I'm going to generate here, and how I'm going to use it to create the design. You see me designing with such color. Okay, all right, so you can see when you open it here, you can see generate. You keep clicking, so all these colors here, they are aligned. One of them can be your background, while the rest will not be your text color and all that. Just blend it. Now it's not a must you use all the colors. You can pick 3 or 2 out of the whole thing you have generated. Okay, so as you are clicking, colors are coming up. That's colors that rhyme, not just any kind of color you see. Okay, but the one I use most is this, the trending one. You come here, click here, you click here, click here. Okay, you click there. You are going to click to explore. You can say trending. So these are the most used. So as you can see, these are beautiful mixtures. Okay, so right now I love taking screenshots. You can download, but I prefer taking screenshots. Right now I'm going to use this one. You can see it. You can see all the colors here. Okay, so you can just, if you touch here, it will bring, if I touch it now, you see it's bringing everything. If I touch this one, this is just white, both the color code and the rest. So I'll just take a screenshot. Okay, I'll take a screenshot. I've done that already. So I'll now head over to my Pixel Lab. So I want to create something now. Okay, so like I told us, I'm going to guide us. Okay, so this is my Pixel Lab right now. So I'll go ahead and import my screenshots, because that's what I'm going to use. That's what I'm going to get my colors. Okay, so I'll wait for it to see the screenshots it now. So I'll bring it, but then I'm going to crop the other one out. So this is just what I need. Okay, this is just what I need, so I'll place it here. All right, so first thing, I'm going to use white. You can see white is there, so I'm going to use white as my background color. You can click here, come to this place, touch it. That's how to select. So I'm going to select that one as my background color. Okay, this is just white, right? So okay, next thing I'm going to do is to import this there's an element I made. I don't want to go to the process of showing us how I did it, so maybe I can send it across if you want to, even though I was the one that did this. So you can just have something like this. Okay, so but then I don't want to use that color, so I'm, like I said earlier, I'm going to change the color of everything here to what I'm just using, this thing I imported. So I'll go to color, I'll come here, I'll select another color here now, and the color I'm going to select is this one. Okay, right, so this is it. So you can see the color code is 2EC5B6. so, and I have this. Perfect. Can you see something now? Can't you see how it is looking so sweet? All right, so next thing I'm going to do now is to bring in this lady. I'm going to import something. I'll go over to my drive and I'll look for the lady. I have the picture already. I'm going to show us what to use. So I'll bring her in and I'll position her like this. Okay, so can you see what we are doing? Is this not beautiful already? Okay, so I'll make a shape like this and I'll position it like this. Okay, I'll position it like this. Okay, this is actually art flyer I'm trying to make. So I'll come to color, I'll select the same color, and it is like this. Can you see? So if you're having issue with color, this is just the end of it. So I'll lock this up. So next thing I'm going to do is to bring in There's something I downloaded again. The cryptos, the coin. Okay, so look at it here. Okay, so this one, let's go to, if we use color here, it's going to distort. You see it has changed our thing. So color filter, let's see if we can get something similar to this color we have here. Let's see if we can get something. Don't know if it is possible here. If it's not possible, we leave it. Okay, I think we're getting something similar. Just play with it. So perfect, you can see I finally did it. So you can see what I have. So your hue is -73 and saturation is 54, and here we go. So the idea is just to make sure that the coin you have is having the same color with the background and the rest of that. Okay, so you can see. So I'll come here again and I will use 3D rotation, and I want to make it look like this. Okay, so this is what I have. So I bring this one here, take it to the back of this lady. Okay, so I have something like this. Okay, all right, so I can easily make a copy of that and place it somewhere here. This is somewhere here. All right, so I'll go ahead and lock this. Unlock this. Okay, so I'll make a copy of this effect I created background. So I just did something like this. I'll first of all reduce the size. And rotate it. Rotate. Then I'll increase the size again. Now, design is decision making. Have to be much more creative. Okay, I'll take it to back. So I'll have something like this. Okay, so perfect. So I'll come here and lock it. Okay, so see what we'll have now. So I'll now write. I'll pick my text tool. Write flexible trade. Okay, flexible transactions every minute. Okay, I think I think some of you must have seen this design. This is not exactly what I did, but I'm just using this to teach us. So I'm going to use the same color here, but no, I want to select another color now. Come here, remember our color panel, the one we are using. So I'm going to make use of this one. Like I told us, it's not a must use all the colors. Okay, so you can just pick 3 or 2. Okay, so see what we have now. But the issue is go to font first. Let's check something. I'm gonna use Montserrat. Let's look at Montserrat Black and see how it's gonna be. Okay. So this is what we want to have. So it doesn't really, that's color, that yellow color is actually off here. So I'll come here and let's try the other one. Let's try this one. So that one will work because of white background. The contrast should be visible enough. Okay, so I'm using the other one. You can see. Okay, so this down one, I want to shift it so that our text will be visible enough. Okay. Just what I have. So I'll go ahead and move this and this. I'll move them like this so that we have space for our text. Good. Flexible transactions every minute. Okay, so that's what I have here. So you can try adding. So the idea is just to show you how you can create your design with this color without having to suffer yourself. So come to shadow, and to add shadow and see how visible it's going to be. Make the radius, blur radius to 0. You can just apply this shadow, make it black and reduce the opacity, so you can see how it's looking here. It's not much, you can remove it. Let's remove it. It's looking somehow. So we leave it like this, or you can use this font Montserrat bold instead of black, and let's see how it's gonna be. Yeah, yes, it's okay like this. Good. So other thing I did was you bring in my go to import and bring in my, so this is my logo. Crop it out first. This is the logo. So I'll bring it here, but then the color is gonna be what? We're gonna maintain the same color, okay? And increase the size a little bit. Okay, so that's what I have. Okay, so and again I'm gonna bring another one again. So this is the second one. I'm gonna bring the other one, and then I'll bring it here. Okay, I'll just increase the size. So this is the detail. So that's the idea. So I don't know if we're catching this. Okay, so this color, let's actually try black. Black will be perfect on that. Let's see. You can see it now. I can actually use black. It's not a must we use everything around here. So this one with black. So let's just go with black. Okay, correct. So, and other things I wrote there, which is your number one vendor. So those of you that are into crypto, this is the right exchange to trade your coin. Number one vendor, all digital assets. Okay, so I have it like this, and go to my font, and I will use Montserrat regular, and here we go to size and reduce the size, reduce it. Okay, so go to color and use your color for uniformity. So come to color, and let's see, I can apply this black here. So yeah, make it like this. So how do you see this design? This is perfect. So don't forget to hide your color. You can see how sweet our design is looking. Just look at, simple as this is, you are done. So this is just social media flyer ad. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe. If you find value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share to your loved ones. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. For those that don't know how to save, this is where to save. Click like this and click save, and that is it. All right, see you next time.